Look at this old Edwards fire alarm system. Oh, it's gated. Whoa. Whoa. Dude.
Whoa, what the heck? Look at this.
It's gonna. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a door closer.
Yeah. Very, very weird one, though.
Alright.
I don't think this was a notice. This isn't a notice gate.
There's one unique door closer right there.
From 3 we should be able, oh yeah, from 3 we should be able to get a good view of the car top as it goes down so we can see the brand. Or from 5.
Whoa, that stops really far away. Yeah, like
Dang.
almost a whole floor.
Right down to B.
Shh, be quiet.
Be quiet. Yeah. Jeez. A bit hard on
The
the
zone on this is very weird. So because of this gate, I'm willing to bet this was either a Spencer or a Van Emon.
Oh, this is actually DC.
Look at the governor up right there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's like. You see the panel?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, look at how far away it stops.
That's weird. Ouch. I've seen a door closer kind of like that on an old PC. Hey, jeez. What is that even for? Oh, that's for the, yeah.
I go like.
Send it. Do you want to run a ride it down? One of you want to ride it down to 4?